All right. I am rather looking forward to this analysis. There's something you should see. Hello! Excellent! Someone has restored all power. Be careful! Have you been able to get the beverage machine to work yet? Yes. This all looks nominal. The administrator is very concerned that we get a conclusive analysis of today's sample. Yes. Did you understand that last announcement? Oh my. Did you hear something? Do you smell something burning? Ah! Ah! What the hell is going on with our equipment?
Shut down the equipment.
My God! Yes? Stop asking that question. Shut up! Oh my.
Why didn't they listen?
We tried to warn them.
It's about to go critical.
Shutting down. Attempting shutdown. It's not shutting down. It's not. I'm leaving now. I refuse to go another step. Oh no! Oh dear! Oh my! My goodness! For God's sake, open the silo door! They're coming for us! It's our only way out! Oh my God, we're doomed! Hello! A failure of this magnitude is extremely improbable. Surely someone will come and rescue us.